Hello there, welcome to this video. This is the 16th episode in the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Arduino. I haven't done a video in this series for a very long time, but what I thought I'd do is revisit it because I didn't get to a very high level in it, and I just thought it'd be good to do a few more videos now that I've got a bit more Arduino stuff to work with. Now, this is the JYMCU Bluetooth module, and what we're doing today is getting our Arduino connected to our phone and lighting up an LED. Now before you do anything really, and before I go into detail about how to wire it up and stuff, we're going to download an application. So you'll just need an Android phone, or you probably can do this on other phones like Apple, but I think it's called, just type in Arduino Bluetooth. And there's quite a few apps. It doesn't really matter which one you use, but I think this one's quite good, Arduino. The one I've got is called, let me find it, where is it? Blue Serial Beta. Just very simple. You pair a device and you can send stuff to your Arduino using your phone, and your Arduino can communicate back. Now let's just do some wiring. You're going to need to make a voltage divider. Now I don't know if I've talked about this yet, but what a voltage divider is it's just a collection of resistors put together to... It's just a collection of resistors put together to form like one resistance. So I'm going to use 3 10 kilo ohm resistors, but it doesn't really matter which combination you use as long as it's just definitely 30 kilo ohms, because you will damage this. The wiring is fairly simple. 5 volts, can go to 3.6 to 6 volts, ground, and then this is the transmit and receive. So now let's get straight ahead, straight onto the wiring. Get the module and put it onto your breadboard like this. Then a wire from VCC to 5 volts on the Arduino, like that. Thought I'd zoom in a bit for you there. Then a wire from ground to ground. Then to the transmit here, this needs to go TXD, I think it says, yeah. This needs to go to the Arduino RX pin. Now if I turn this around, you'll be able to see that down here. I'll zoom out a little bit so that you can see. It says RX on pin 1. That's where the TXD needs to go on the Bluetooth module. Now we need to make the voltage divider. I've got a pack here of 10 kilo ohm resistors. These ones have got a blue background, so just take 3 of them. Brand new pack of resistors is always nice. Then from RXD, just have a resistor going to somewhere on your breadboard. You do need to use these, otherwise it will get damaged. Then another one going from that to another place in the breadboard, and then finally a third one. That's called a voltage divider, and you'll probably use them more commonly as you get into more advanced Arduino stuff. So this now needs to go to TX, which is pin 0. Sorry, I got these the wrong way round. Sorry about that, wrong way round. So you've got the RX going to, on the Arduino, the TX on the Bluetooth thing going to RX on the Arduino. Okay, then let's take a look at the code. First line, we're including the library for the software serial. It's called Software Serial Library, and this basically allows us to use the Bluetooth because we're creating a serial
it's quite hard for me to explain it really, but basically it's like having a second serial monitor that is the Bluetooth, and it's like a normal serial monitor communicating between the Arduino and the computer. This is communicating between the computer, the Arduino and a phone, and it's receiving stuff, transmitting stuff through the Bluetooth module. And then, like with liquid crystal display, we need to give it a name and specify which pins it's on, 0 and 1. In the void setup, set pin 30 as an output. You might be wondering why we're doing that. That is because we're going to have an LED attached to pin 13. It's going to light up. And like with serial.begin, module.begin, because that's what I've called it up there. Now we're creating a character. I don't know if we've covered characters yet, but they are it is a variable, it's a data type, and what it does is it just stores a single character, because that's all we're going to be sending across. If the module is available, sense what the module is receiving. If it's 1, set the LED as high and print LED on. And if it's receiving 0, if we've sent 0, turn the LED off and print that to the module. Okay, there we go. That's the code. Let's see if it works.
Okay then, here we have the Bluetooth module. Now you need to open up your phone. I know you just saw my password, I'll change it now. And you need to connect it using Blue Serial. Now, you just click on the device. You can press on search down there, but just click on the device, press on connect. Connected to device. And the LED will stop flashing. It'll just go single. If I disconnect, it'll start flashing again. So connect, and then let's see what happens. If I manage to get this working, if you send 1, power's on. If you send 0, power's off. Now, it's not printing here LED on and LED off like it's supposed to. It's not a massive concern, but if you want to look further into it for you, then that's no problem. I think it's just a problem with my application. It should work with yours. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please, if you've got any suggestions for future episodes, just comment. I'm thinking of doing something on rotary encoders and a few other things, but there we go. And I'm glad I've come back to do a few more episodes for this series, because it didn't go to a very advanced level like I wanted it to. Okay, thanks for watching, see you next time.